If you work in quality management, you need to face these 5 truths so you don't get left behind. You simply cannot audit what you do not measure. Manual reports will delay your most critical decisions. Traceability is no longer a plus, it is a requirement. Without real-time indicators, rework is inevitable. And every hour lost in spreadsheets is an hour less for continuous improvement. With SoftExpert Suite, you centralize indicators, simplify audits, and drastically reduce time spent on data collection. You free up your team to focus on what really matters, true quality, all in a single platform powered by AI to optimize your management. Request a demo and understand how to operate with greater compliance and operational efficiency.